Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial is about bridal glam. So today I'm going to teach you new and trendy techniques of this season, which is with minimal makeup and how you can do a celebrity kind of a bridal look with a clear glass-like skin. Step number one, I never miss cleaning of the face using my Bioderma micellar water solution. This is extremely good even for the sensitive skin, normal skin or dry skin, or even if you have combination too oily. So now for her deep hydration, I'm going to use toner from a very renowned brand, Fresh. This I have got it from Thailand airport, not available in India. तो आप किसी भी इंटरनेशनल वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. The toner will actually help to control her oil of the face and eventually it will increase the longevity of the base. तो इससे क्या होगा, जो ग्रेनेस होती है बेस पे वो नहीं होगी. जब हमने पोर्स पे ऑयल कंट्रोल ही कर दिया, so there will be definitely increase of hours of the makeup. So that is why मेरा bridal makeup इतने घंटे रुक जाता है, even it stays till the next day. So I feel it is around 26 to 28 hours stay of my bridal makeup. The reason behind it is a very good toner. I use either Fresh toner or I'm using one is Pixie Glow Tonic. That is again a very renowned toner from the brand, and you can shop all these cosmetics at my store, Miba Cosmetics. So now my most favorite moisturizer is here, which is Etoderm Bioderma, and extremely good for the dry skin. My dry skin type is dry, extreme dry. Okay, so good. So even you can use it in the night too if you don't have any night care regime. और अगर आपके पास कोई नाइट क्रीम नहीं भी है ना, then also you just apply this cream, use a splash of toner, apply this cream and sleep. So for her skin, especially for the extreme dry skin, if there is any kind of fatigue or loss of hydration, then I'm using my favorite rosehip oil from Forever 52. This gives instant glow to my bridal skin, and I actually like to keep face little oily and greasy then before starting of any kind of makeup. Now using under eye cream from T&W, the natural wash, and here we go. The best point about this, it has a rolling technology. Now using little bit of corrector on her darker areas, very minimal, क्योंकि अगर आप ज़्यादा ऑरेंज लगाओगे उतना ही आपको लाइटर कलर ऑफ फाउंडेशन लगानी पड़ेगी टू कवर इट. सो आई यूजुअली use this orange palette from Shoparel and Z palette from Shoparel, and I'm using the orange color mixed with the brown. So I'm using a flat brush to apply foundation on the face, and later on I will blend it with a beauty blender. Using my favorite Tarte concealers, Tarte Shape Tape. This is shade Tan. पहले फाउंडेशन लगाने का फ़ायदा ये होता है, लाइक यू गेट टू सी व्हाट आर ऑल द ग्रे एरियाज, देन यू कैन कवर इट विद अ कंसीलर. नाउ दिस इज लाइट मीडियम. On the top, I'll be adding a highlighter shade which is light sand, और ये बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा ही लगाना है. Can you look up? If your bride is a little grey or towards the ashy tone sides or dusky complexion, then do not use this color. You can skip this. You can just use tan and the light medium. So now for a little bit contouring, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Truffle. This area. Since she has a bigger forehead area, so very little contour she required of her face. On her jawline, a little bit over lips. I'm going to use my favorite She's Lamb blush, which is liquid blush. Now I'm using the shade Risky Business. You can get it at Mehak Cosmetics. Same way you can blend this with your beauty blender. How easy it is to blend it. This thing. Now using my most favorite and all-time favorite loose powder, Laura Mercier. And I always use beauty blender to apply powders over face, especially the loose powder. इससे powder ज़्यादा उड़ता नहीं है and powder की deposition भी ज़्यादा नहीं होती face पे. So now for the contour I'm using Hoola Bronzer, very soft bronzing. Because her face is not so big, so you can just go for the bronzing and shaping like contour. Now using my favorite shade from Tom Ford, it's Wicked. A very soft pink glow, rosy cheeks. Now I'm going to use my ace of the base, which is highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics, and there we go. Can you turn right? So beautiful. It just glides so easily. Isn't this highlighter so lovely? Show me left and right. Better be cautious while applying this. You can't apply more and skip it over the pimples. Don't apply if your bride is having too much acne. So just apply minimal in that case. For her, I can make her even discoverable. I never miss one thing while making our lipstick is a lip pencil, क्योंकि lip pencil से ही lipstick ज़्यादा stable बनती है. And I'm using the one from MAC. The shade is Soar. To avoid any kind of flakiness in the lipstick, now I'm going to tap it with the Moisture Matte Lipstick, which is from, this palette is from Pixie. And you will only get at Mehak Cosmetics. I just need a very light, soft pink lips. So for that I'm using this very beautiful, lovely pink. Covering all the lip pencil. Smile. The more you stretch it, it's more easier. Now using a gloss in the middle. If your bride is wearing heavy knots, then you can skip gloss. So for the eyes, use any light creamy concealer as an eye primer and set it with a loose powder. Your eye primer will be ready. Now using my all-time favorite palette, James Charles, and this is with Morphe collaboration. Why this is my favorite? Because it has all the Indian shades, and plus if you have some Mehndi celebration and if you are going for the cocktail night, all the colorful palette here and all the Indian traditional shades are up here. So I always recommend and teach all my students over with this palette. So must have this one in your vanity. With the shade soft brown, or kind of yeah, it's a soft brown only from the palette in her blending areas. So that's where I'm stroking at the first, and अब इसका मतलब है मुझे इससे नीचे नीचे काम करना है. So I always mark it like this. Now I'm using little bit dark brown or warm brown at the corner. On the side. And later on I'll merge everything. So now I'm using butter gold color on the 3/4 of her eyelid. Keep pressing the applicator brush. That should be flat. So now for the lashes, I'm using Glamoholic Cashmere, and firstly I'll measure. This is left hand side, almost. Can you go ahead, look up? Yeah, it's going well. And these lashes are reusable and lightweight, and it's my lashes brand, Glamoholic, and you can definitely shop it from Niba Cosmetics. Each pair worth ₹700, but they are reusable like up to 25 times. And this is how you're going to apply lash glue. I'm using the one from Duo, and keep fanning, let the glue dry, keep fanning. Just apply over the lash line. Let it set. Open, little bit open. Yeah. That's my final base. Setting up with MAC Fix Plus. That's the finished look. Go ahead, open your eyes. Look here. Look into this camera.